Hello painting peeps and welcome. It's Kathleen from COZ Creations. Welcome to the No Bra Zone number 2, guys. It's Thanksgiving Eve. I don't know when I'm going to get this video edited and out, but tonight is Thanksgiving Eve. It was a beautiful day. It's a little cool out tonight. We went out and bought a Christmas tree for our Asheville home, and when I'm done here I'm gonna go check it out and fluff it out, but I won't decorate it for a week or two. Grandbaby and daughter and my bonus daughters, Rick's 2 girls and their loves, are coming to town, and I am beyond thrilled. So I came downstairs to do a little painting, had nothing else going on. Rick's upstairs watching sports stuff, so I'm like, what the heck? Went to Hobby Lobby today. Went to Hobby Lobby to look for Christmas trees with my 50% off coupon, and they were all out. I got my tree at Lowe's. I got a beautiful, beautiful 9-foot slender tree that is lit with a million tiny white lights, and it's absolutely beautiful. So I'm excited about that. This girl loves herself some Christmas. But Hobby Lobby had things on sale. This is a, what is this? This is a, a Master's Touch. This is a Master's Touch round stretch canvas. It's 16 by 16 by 16 by 16, and it was half price, so I snagged a few of these, and I thought to myself, this is a perfect shape for a Swoosh swipe. And then I also got some new paints in the mail that I had used in Texas at the Fluid Art Convention that made some really nice swiping. So that's what we're going to do today, guys, although we also have a new paint right here. Nope, that's not it. This is it right here. Thank you, Fluid Art Company. They sent me some of the Miss Piggy paints, and this is darling, wonderful goodness, guys. That is this little Piggy, and that is their Harvest Gold. And I thank you, Fluid Art Company, for this. Now, what I did was I put a small smidgen of the pigment in the cup, and I did as Mina does. I just dampened it with some Josanya gloss varnish, mixed it up real good, and then I added my pouring medium. Our pouring medium today is the same for all the paints, including the base coat. That's one question I get asked all the time. We are at 50% Floetrol and 50% Liquitex pouring medium in all of these paints, including our base coat color, guys. So that's this little Piggy right there. This yummy color right here is DecoArt Extreem Sheen, and that is their 24 karat gold. This yummy goodness right here is a combination of Pebeo Studio Acrylics in the blue Vert Iridescent with a couple of drops of the golden fluid turquoise. Now, I had to put a little bit of water in this paint because the Pebeo paints have a little bit of thickness to them. So pouring medium went in, stirred that baby up, and decided in order to get it to the right consistency, add a little bit of water. Right here, this is a yummy paint. This is a combination of Pebeo Studio Acrylics, the iridescent green yellow, and golden turquoise in the fluid paint. So I was on the fence about using this guy in this painting. So I had some of it mixed up right here, and I had some of the golden turquoise mixed up right here, so I added and married the two of them together, and it came up with a beautiful golden blue-green hue. I don't know if you can see that, guys, but trust me, it is yummy. So those are going to be our Swoosh swipe paints. What else do I have to, oh, did I talk about this? Yes, and I misled you guys. That is DecoArt Extreme Sheen 24 karat gold. with the keyword nickel azo gold. And oh my goodness, this made a yummy coppery golden beautiful paint right there. So I'm excited about that. Our base coat is leftover paint from my schlop bucket. I'm pretty sure it's Artist Loft soft body in the white, but there also might be just a little bit of leftover satin enamel. This was my drippings that I scraped up and then strained and doctored them up so that we can reuse them. Our paints leave just a little bit of a mound before they dissipate into the paint below, guys. So we are about, with the golden fluids, guys, you're at about a half a teaspoon of paint to 2.5 to 3 ounces of pouring medium. This paint can handle it. With the Pebeo Studio acrylics, we are at 1 part paint, 2 to 2.5 parts pouring medium, and some water. I know it can make your head spin, guys. Different paints, different consistencies, different amounts of water. But promise you this, you'll eventually get it. You just got to practice. So swiping tool of choice is going to be cut up damp pieces of paper towel. Every once in a while you might see me dip that paper towel in one of the paint colors as well, just to add a little bit more of that color to the composition. Hope you're having a wonderful evening. Hope your Thanksgiving is filled with much love, guys. Let's put some tunes on. Let's get busy.